Hello viewers, today I will show you how to make a TikTok videos and upload it on TikTok. You will see the plus icon, then click on it. After that you will see three different options, which is 16 second, 15 second and the template option. I chose templates option. Then you will see lot of templates. I chose this template for your understand purpose. Then click on select photos. Then it will go to your gallery and from your gallery choose 3 or 5 different photos. I chose 5 photos from my gallery. Then OK. Now if you want to add a voiceover, then press this icon, voiceover icon. Then you will see tap or long press to record. If you want to record your voice, then tap press for long time. After that click on save option. Finally a video has been created, and if you want to upload it, then press on next option. And if you want to add sound from TikTok, then press on sound option. Then search any option, any song from this option. I chose Old Town Road. It's loading. Finally it's load. Then see how look is it. So this was our video. So if you like it, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you want to upload it, then press on next. That you will see this page. Then for your engaging you can use hashtag and you can mention your any kind of friend who already followed you. Then press on a post and it will be post. Thanks for the watching our video.